How's it going, everybody? Adam here with Front Range Storm Contractors. Just up here on a T-lock roof. See these kind of shingles? See how they kind of look like interlocking T's there? You know, some people call it like a Cubert game board, if you know what Cubert is. Anyways, interlocking T's, the shingles are called T-locks, right? Makes sense. So these shingles are actually pretty common still in Colorado. They stopped making them like 15, 16 years ago because there were a lot of problems with wind and lawsuits and things like that, which is sad, ironic I should say, because they actually created these shingles thinking that they would do really well in a windstorm because all the shingles were interlocked together. But what happens is this homeowner called me out because he saw this here from down on the ground. See how that shingle is pulled up right there? That's from the wind. And you see this crease in it right here? That's what happens. And sometimes it can actually pull up like that and then go back down so that it lays flat again and you never really even knew that it happened. But what that does, see this right here? This is the first thing I saw. It's right next to my ladder. It's the first thing I saw when I climbed up on the roof. You get tears and rips in it like that. So I've gone around and I've marked all the places I can see with an arrow like that. And you've got some that are very minor. Like this one right here. I don't know if you can see. It's such a slight little crease you can see. The shingle is lifted up over here on this side a little bit. And there's just this little crease that goes kind of winding down right there like that. That's a super minor one. Then you've got some others, like that one right there, that are pretty obvious. And the second one I showed you, that was nice and ripped. And then got a couple other ones over here on this side where it's ripped. You can see this right here. This corner is ripped like that. And I didn't do that. I might have just lifted it up to show you, but you can see, if you see the material down in there, it's a little bit gray, which means that I didn't just do it. But this is what happens to these shingles. Right here on the corner, they get torn and water can get down in there, especially snow melt. That'll really find its way down in there. And as you can see, just got a couple of places marked with arrows, right? So this roof's gonna get replaced because these shingles are no longer existent. I can't patch, you know, the one or two places. It's actually, if I stand here, I've got 3 on this side here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on that side. I think I saw 3 here, 1 there, and then on the back of the house here, 1, 2, 3, another one down there, 4. So, you know, maybe 20 altogether. It's probably about a 20 square roof, so maybe 1 per every 100 square feet of roofing area. If it was just hail damage, then the insurance company would say, you know, just repair it. That's not enough to replace the whole thing. But I can't find these shingles anymore, so we got to replace it. All right, so I just wanted to show you guys on a T-lock shingle what wind damage looks like. And now you know. And